Today's topic is Bernoulli equation, or you can say that it is an equation reducible to in linear differential equation. Actually, yesterday many students told me that if in linear differential equation there is y to the power square or cube, then how we can solve that type of problem? Then answer is this: we can solve by this method, means Bernoulli equation, या equation reducible to linear differential equation. We can reduce that type of problem in linear differential equation. In Bernoulli's equation is dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y to the power n. For it converting to converting to linear differential equation, problem is that q into y to the power n. Y to the power n is problem, creating the problem. Then we will have to solve this type of problem. We will have to remove y to the power n. Dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y to the power n. It is Bernoulli equation, and we have to convert in linear differential equation. Problem is this: y to the power n. Then what we can do? We can convert, we can remove this y to the power n, and process is that we can divide both sides, then we can remove this. So let's divide y to the power n both sides. Then y to the power n dy by dx plus p y by y to the power n is equal to q y to the power n y to the power n, and here it will be cancelled, and we can write this dy by dx plus 1 by y to the power n minus 1 y to the power n minus 1 p is equal to q. And we can solve here dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Problem is that 1 by y to the power n, it is creating problem, and we know that 1 by y to the power n minus 1, when we can get the derivative of this, we will get this term. So we use this trick to solve that type of problem. Okay, we start with example. Example is x square dy plus y into x plus y dx is equal to 0. Example: x square dy plus yx plus y dx is equal to 0. Firstly, we will convert this into linear. Try to convert in linear differential equation. Result: let's see. X square dy is equal to minus y x plus y dx. X square dy by dx is equal to minus yx minus y square. X square dy by dx minus y square minus yx, that yx minus y square. And also problem is this x square, then we can divide by x square. Dy by dx, x square by x square, it will be cancelled, and y by x divide x square is equal to minus y square by x square. It will be cancelled. Dy by dx plus it will be 1 by x y is equal to minus y square by x square. Also we can write this in the form dy by dx plus 1 by x y is equal to minus 1 by x square y square. Yesterday we will learn about linear differential equation. Linear differential equation is this: dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are only on function of x. Here present only function of x, yeah, term of x, but here y square is also present. then what we can do, we will have to remove this y square. How we can remove y square? Problem is this: if there is no y square, then we can solve this by linear differential equation. But here is y square. Then what we can do? We will have to remove y square. So then we divide y square both sides. 1 by y square dy by dx plus 1 by x y by y square is equal to minus 1 by x square y square by y square. Result will be 1 by y square dy by dx plus 1 by x y square y by power 2, yeah, y by power 1 here, 2 minus 1 y by power 1, and minus 1 by x square, it will be cancelled, then result is 1 by x square. Now how we can solve? In linear differential equation, dy by dx plus by is equal to q, but here present 1 by y square. Problem is this. Then how we can do? So 1 by y, we can put 1 by y is equal to z. Result what? 1 by y to the power n is equal to z. So 1 by y square dy by dx we can get by differentiating. So we differentiate 1 by y is equal to z and try to convert in linear differential equation. Let's start. 1 by y or y to the power minus 1, put 1 by y or y to the power minus 1, put is equal to z, and differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. What will be the result? Result will be in differentiation y to the power n is equal to n y to the power n minus 1. N y to the power n minus 1 dy by dx is equal to dz by dx. And when we simplify this, 1 by y to the power minus 2 dy by dx is equal to dz by dx. And also we simplify this, this will be 1 by y square dy by dx is equal to dz by dx. Okay. Then put the value of z and dz by dx in this equation. Okay. Here 1 by y square dy by dx, then we can write also minus dz by dx, or negative, we can choose, we can multiply both sides by negative. We can also solve, or let's when we put negative this, so also we can solve. तो if आपकी जैसे मर्जी जिस तरीके से आप सॉल्व करना चाहें, तो अगर ये हम डायरेक्ट पुट कर दे रहे हैं तो व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट? 1 by y square dy by dx is equal to dz by dx. The result will be minus dz by dx minus dz by dx plus 1 by x, 1 by y to the power 1 is equal to z, 1 by x z is equal to dz by dx is equal to 1 minus 1 by x square, minus 1 by x square. Okay. And also we can write this dz by dx minus 1 by x into z is equal to plus 1 by x square. हम लोग लिख सकते हैं, we can write this in this form by नेगेटिव को कॉमन लेके इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. एंड दिस इक्वेशन ये जो इक्वेशन है अब आपका लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में कन्वर्ट हो चुका है. ये देखो dy by dx plus py is equal to q, and when we will remove y to z, what will be the result? Result will be dz. Okay, and this is this. Then आप लोगों ने इसको कन्वर्ट कर चुका है लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में. सो बाय कंपेयरिंग दिस what will be the value of p and what will be the value of q? Value of p will be minus 1 by x and value of q will be 1 by x square. Okay, value of p is minus 1 by x, value of q is equal to 1 by x square. Okay, now by linear differential equation method we will solve this equation. Firstly we will find integrating factor. What will the value of integrating factor? It will be it is e to the power p dx is equal to e to the power integration. What will the value of p? What is the value of p? P's value is minus 1 by x dx, and result 1 by x, integration of 1 by x, it is log x minus log x, and we can also write here e to the power log x to the power minus 1 by definition of logarithm. Okay, and result will be x to the power minus 1, just it is 1 by x. Now integrating factor is 1 by x, and solution will be y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx. Here we will remove y to z. Then y into integrating factor, solution of dy by dx plus py is equal to q is y into integrating factor is equal to q into dx plus c, and we remove y to z, then here we will remove y to z. Okay, then z into integrating factor is equal to q into dx plus c. So z into integrating factor is integrating factor is 1 by x. Z into 1 by x is equal to q. Q's value is 1 by x square. 1 by x square into value of q into integrating factor. Okay, so q into integrating factor, integrating factor is 1 by x, then 1 by x dx. Okay, result is 1 by x q dx, and also it will be x to the power minus 3 dx. We solve this, result will be x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, x to the power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 plus c, and x to the power minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus c, 1 by minus 2 and 1 by x square plus c, and here z into 1 by x. Okay, z into 1 by x. Then result is this, z by x is equal to minus 1 by 2x square plus c. Now our solution is z by x minus 1 by 2x square plus c. Now we will our equation is in the form of x and y. Then what will be the value of z? z हम लोगों ने क्या पुट किया था? z जो पुट किया था हम लोगों ने, अब यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, z की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. z जो हम लोगों ने पुट किया था वो था 1 बाय y को. तो ये z इज इक्वल टू 1 बाय y इज इक्वल टू z पुट किया था. तो z की जगह पे 1 बाय y आ जाएगा. 1 बाय y x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 बाय 2x स्क्वायर प्लस c. सो if you have this type of problem, just like that, dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y to the power n, then we can also solve this type of differential equation by this method. First step, what will we do? In first step we will remove y to the power n by dividing both sides, and next step 1 by y to the power n minus 1 we will z, and by differentiating it we can easily convert in linear differential equation, and by linear differential equation process we can solve this type of problem. Okay, and बताना कैसा लगा, और ये इस प्रॉब्लम में where you have problem in what step किस स्टेप में आपको प्रॉब्लम हुआ, कहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम हुआ, कौन सी मेथड समझ में नहीं आई बताना। और 2-4 प्रॉब्लम दे रही हूँ। प्रॉब्लम इज 1/y² dy by dx minus 1/y is equal to 2x e to the power minus x. First question. Next question is 3dy by dx plus 3y by x is equal to 2x to the power 4 y to the power 4. It will be homework. होमवर्क मिले हैं आपको, कल yesterday है। आप लोग इस दोनों क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट कीजिए, उसके बाद बताइए कि इस दोनों प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने में कहाँ पे क्या प्रॉब्लम हुआ, किस स्टेप में प्रॉब्लम हुआ, या मैंने जो एग्जांपल से समझाया वहां पे आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम हुआ, कहाँ पे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है। तो इस दोनों प्रॉब्लम को जब आप अपने से खुद से सॉल्व कीजिएगा तो आप लोगों को समझ में आ जाएगा कि प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे क्रिएट हो रहा है। ठीक है, थैंक यू।